Anne is 4 years younger than her sister Sally. The product of their ages is 60. If Sally is X years old, find Anne's age in terms of X. So the connection is that Anne is 4 years younger than her sister Sally. So Anne is going to be Sally's age minus 4. Find the product of Anne's and Sally's ages in terms of X. Well, we're going to multiply Sally's age by Anne's age. Because Anne's age is 2 terms, we need to make sure we put a bracket around that when we multiply. And then we can simplify that by writing that down. We've got the multiplication there, but really we should write that as x brackets x minus 4. Or if you want to expand that, we multiply the x by the x to get x squared, and the x by the negative 4 to get negative 4x. Part C. We need to form an equation in x and simplify it. So what we have to do is use the bit of information in the question which we haven't used already. So what bit have we not used to do that? The product of their ages is 60. So Anne's age multiplied by Sally's age will be equal to 60. But we just worked out what Anne times Sally's age is, their product there. So that number there, which is written in algebra at the minute, but x squared minus 4x equals 60. And that's it. And it does say at the end, simplify it, but I actually simplified it in part B, so I don't need to do anything more. That was the simplifying part there. The volume of a cube is 80 centimeters cubed. If the length of one side is x, form an equation in x. So if one side's x and it's a cube, that means that if it's a cube, every side is the same length. So we can label the base and the width, or the length and the width, x as well. So if we were to form an equation, we would say that the length times the base times the height equals its volume. Or you might want to put that at the start, v equals. And then we can simplify that. When we have x times x times x, the shortest way to write that would be x cubed.